I just finished changing the trigger springs out on this my wife's gun, which is a airweight Springfield, and it's got the laser grip, as you can see, and I replaced it with this Apex J-frame duty carry spring set. That's the old ones that I took out. And it reduced the trigger pull on this into about half. I mean, this was a heavy trigger pull. It really was. And it bothered her. Now, she could shoot it, but and I'm going to have to re-zero this thing, obviously. But it was heavy. So she shoots it pretty darn good, and I don't want anything hindering her from pulling the trigger on it. So anyway, it's fixed. I'm really impressed with it. It does a good job. But I need to zero that thing, and I'll take her out to shoot, I hope, this weekend. I hate to. She outshoots me, but but you can see how far that thing is. If I had to take the whole grips off, and if you've ever messed with these sights, these Crimson trays, you ever change batteries, and you might as well just go ahead and get ready to zero it in. Anyway, that was it.